Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to hide likes on your Instagram posts. So if you guys want to go ahead and hide your own likes, or likes from other people on your Instagram posts, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do this is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And from here, I would like you to proceed with tapping on your profiles. And I want you to tap on these specific posts. You want to go ahead and hide the likes up. And this is gonna tap on this 3 dots option. And I'm gonna tap on hide like count. What this is gonna do is it's gonna hide the like count of your Instagram post. And that's how you guys could easily hide your likes on your Instagram posts. You could do that with other posts as well. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.